Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Cooking with Rounds with your host, Ramon, and I'm here with Ricardo and Adela. Ricardo, what are we making today?
Today we're gonna make a banana spring roll with macadamia nuts and caramel. What we're going to need is spring roll shells, banana, egg wash, macadamia nuts, caramel ice cream, and cinnamon sugar.
Okay, Ricardo, how do we get this started?
Alright, first you're gonna need your spring roll shell and a banana. You're gonna open it up. Whoa. There you go. Cut it to the size that you need. Say that's good. Okay. You're gonna get your egg wash and give a good amount to the side that is away from you.
Just the size, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just the side. There you go. It's gonna act as a glue. That's why we need it.
Okay.
And then you roll it. Other side. Make sure it's square. And roll. There we go.
All right.
So now that it's made, we're gonna start frying it at 350. And once it's done, you're gonna immediately add it into cinnamon sugar. It should look something like this. Okay, now that we have it here, you're gonna get a sharp kitchen knife and you're gonna cut it diagonally straight down the middle. And then you can get your clean plate. So for the plating, what we're gonna do is that we're gonna make it look pretty, and we're gonna put this one on top and this one to the side.
Okay.
Okay, so then now that we have that, you can add your caramel drizzle. You can add anything you want if you really want to think about it. So what we do is that we get the caramel and just add a little side. Now that we have the caramel drizzle, you can add ice cream. It can be to both sides. And for final touches, we're gonna add some macadamia nuts that are roughly chopped. It can be anything. If you're allergic to nuts, you can add anything you want. So it can be like chocolate sprinkles or anything like that. And here you have a banana spring roll with caramel drizzle and macadamia nuts.
And there you have it, guys. That is how you make a banana spring roll. I just want to give a big thanks to the culinary arts people that we have today, Ricardo and Adela. If you would like to learn more about how to join the culinary arts, you can talk to your counselors or you can go to Chef Velarde.